So, we're fixing a truck outside. Finally got a first snow. And it's fairly cold. Anyways, I didn't even know where to start. How I'm gonna call this video. Something Peterbilt screwed up on their suspension. I will show you what kind of suspension it is. I think they call it flex air. If you have a leaf spring coming out like this and between the axles, it's flex air. So check this out. Airbags and a bar goes across. There's a sensor. See the sensor? For some reason on the front axle, the sensor is closer to the bar. So they V this out for the sensor. And I've been told this quite back ago. The only one problem with the suspension is this bar cracking right where the sensor is. So yesterday I went to York, got my truck greased, washed, whatever, because I got broken door. Can't get in the shop. I end up, I had a crack up here, so they V'd this out once again for the sensor, which is on that axle way back there, and it cracked. It split out. Well, the Peterbilt manufacturing pack car. So this is a, let's call this C channel with the lip. The main, so I mean everything's important, but the structure, it's very important to have this lip because so it doesn't flex like this. Well, if they V this out, obviously this will crack eventually. I mean, by all means, if you're hauling 32,000 pounds in your drives, I doubt it. But if you max it out to 42, 48, like I do once in a while, 40, like I got a load right now, it's 40,000 pounds. Your chances are it will crack. But since it's a U-joint on top of it and everything else, kind of get grease on it, and it's hard to see. It might have never would break farther, but I was a little nervous because if this thing breaks, you see how the airbag's pushing down? Well, not right now, but and if that thing breaks, where's the airbags gonna go? They just fall in, and you ain't gonna have. It'd be a bad deal. So that's how I fixed it. Rewelded inside the best as I could, and put a aluminum plate up here, which is, I would say, 1/4 inch thick. I think it will hold it. It will work. So if you're climbing underneath your truck and you have same suspension, keep an eye on that. It's something get you stuck on the side of the road fairly fast, in my opinion. But it's easy to take it off. What is it? 2 airbags, which is 2 bolts, and then 4 over here, right there. One on the. It's 2 on each side. Oh yeah. You're gonna say, hey Arson, why you didn't just go buy a new one and call it good? It's a Peterbilt. $489 for this thing. I will fix it. Thanks for watching all.